Alright, welcome back, guys. So we have another Stitch Fix here for the month of May. Let's open it up and see what we got here. The box is a little disheveled. FedEx guy probably wasn't having a good day, but that's okay. It's a beautiful day here. So let's take a look at what we got. Alright, first of all, return. Perfect. Shoes. Alright. Got some shoes or something. There we go. That's what I'm looking for right here. So first, again, like we should, let's look at the cards. So again, some really cool stuff here. Let's see if I can get that to zoom in a little bit. There you go. Some neat stuff here. Again, you don't get everything that's on here. Just kind of gives you a good pairing of what things should or should go with. Very cool. I always like these little cards, so that's kind of neat. Also, you get the price sheet here. Just flash you the price sheet here. Again, cool looking things. This total for this box is only $80? No. So the total for the box is $234, 25% discount. And since you guys are so awesome and a lot of you guys clicked my link, they did give me an extra, looks like $75. So thank you guys if you guys clicked the link. Again, there's always a link in the description below if you guys would like to start your own Stitch Fix. And again, take some videos of it. I enjoy doing it. So first things first, we got some shoes here. So these are, let's see what they are. I'm just going to take one out. Oh, that's kind of cool. So these are by CVs, I guess. Looks like it says on the side of it right there. Kind of nice shoes. Let's take a look at the list here. So let's see what we got. So these are the CVs Hermosa Pill Sole Sneaker. They kind of look pretty cool, actually. Again, I'm not, these are kind of like boat shoes to me. They kind of look similar to that. Nice shoes. So put those aside. So let's see what else we got. We can take this box and flip it away. So we got the usual Stitch Fix brown craft paper here. Let's see what we got. We got a really nice, it's a light, it's by this company called Woolrich. I believe I got another shirt from them. Nice colors, nice flannel here. Let's see if I can find the tag. I don't see the tag hanging off of this bad boy anywhere. There it is. So this is what I'm looking for here. So this is the Woolrich. There we go. And this is the Timberline. So this is a blue kind of flannel shirt by Woolrich. It is $45. By the way, I know I forgot. The shoes are actually $78. Alright, so we have a nice shirt here. I'm going to kind of put it on the side here. Next is kind of what they would call, I believe, a Henley. It's more of a performance shirt, so it's kind of like that wicking material. It is by them right there. Really cool company. I love the thing. It's called the Chris Performance Micro Stripe Henley. And I have a feeling I'm really going to like this shirt here. So, very cool. Looks nice. And again, nice, awesome fabric. Put that guy on the side. It looks like there's another one in here. So, that one there was the blue one. So that one was $34. This one here is by 01 Algo, same company. This one is also actually a little bit more expensive. No, dark gray is only $28. It's actually a little bit cheaper for the dark gray one here. So here's the dark gray one. Again, very cool stuff. Always like the stuff I get in my Stitch Fixes for the most part. Ooh, I'm seeing it in focus. There we go. Perfect. Awesome looking shirt. I like it. Alright, so this is the first time I'm actually getting shorts in a Stitch Fix here. And don't let the camera deceive you, these are actually pink. And I don't mind different colors, I'm one with the color. These are made by Hawker Rye, again, another company that they send me a lot of. And again, another amazing company that I love the way their stuff fits. And these are awesome. See, these are kind of like a pinkish, what do they call them? They call them no, that's not indigo. Where are you? So they call these blush. That's the color of them, blush. And they are made by Hawker Rye. These are the 9-inch Essential Wash Chino shorts. So, very cool. So, just to recap, we got the shorts by Hawker Rye. Awesome. And again, cool. They're about $49 for those. Then we got the gray, it looks like 01 Algo kind of a performance t-shirt. Very nice. And again, this one's just a t-shirt. Then we got the same brand, 01 Algo, and we got it in the Henley, which was really cool. And again, I know you guys can't feel the material through the camera, but I love the feel of these shirts. You guys would too. And then we got the Woolrich. They call this the Indigo one, by the way. Kind of just a short sleeve shirt, which is actually really nice. I actually like it. And then we got these shoes, and honestly the Hail Mary for me is going to be the shorts and the shoes. I don't know, I'm, again, very particular about shorts, and especially shoes. So we'll try these shoes on. I never actually had anything by the CV's brand here. Again, these are the Hermosas, and we'll try them on. So I'll see you guys in a little bit here as I try all this stuff on now. Alright, so let's try on some clothes, and I already got the first one on. So this is the gray t-shirt here, and I'm just going to check up on my cheat sheet. Again, just one more time here. Here's what this total thing cost. Actually, not so bad. So the gray t-shirt here, dark gray, it is 28 bucks. Not too bad. It's a little tight, but it's not tight enough to where it's kind of annoying. It actually doesn't look too bad. This is kind of annoying. There's a little tag here. Other than that, I don't think it looks too bad. Looks good with the shorts I currently have on, but as we know, there's pink shorts in this loot, so I'm going to have to try that on shortly. So, I'll get back to you with the next one, but the gray shirt, I like it. Alright, welcome back. So we have the, kind of the blue, it's not really flannel, it's more like a cotton, or I don't even know what to call it. I'm not a style guru here. So this is called Indigo, that's what they're calling it. This is the Woolrich Eco-Rich Timberline Short Sleeve Oxford. It is $45. It fits pretty well. It actually does not really go with the shorts too much. Personally, it's got two contrasting patterns. But other than that, it looks really cool. I'm probably going to keep, so far, both items I think I'm keeping. So, again, here's the next one. I'll give you a little, here, side profile. Ooh, alright. On to the next one. Alright, and so this is the next one. This is the Henley. This is, this one is $34. This is the Crisp Performance Microstripe Henley on me here by that 01 Algo company, and it does fit amazing. I was really excited for this shirt. So, I love the style. I love the Henley in general. I think it's a nice looking shirt. It looks good with these particular shorts. But again, coming up, the pink shorts. Alright, so here's the pink shorts, which they're honestly such a light form of pink, what they're calling blush, that it's really hard to see. So again, I got the whole outfit on now. I have the Henley, the pink shorts, and I'm rocking the CV shoes here. So the shoes are $78. They're the CV's Hermosa Primsole sneakers. The Henley is $34. That's by that one Algo company. And again, the shorts here, which are in a color called blush, which is honestly like a very pinky white, are from Hawker Ride. They're the 9-inch Essential Wash Chino shorts, and they look pretty good. I like them. Honestly, let's see if I can get far enough away. I think they're a little short. They do just fall just above the knee, but they don't really sit like towards the waist where I like them particularly. But honestly, they're comfortable. I like the whole outfit, and that was the one cool thing I thought about this fix, is a lot of it was just revolved around one pair of shorts, multiple shirts you could wear with them, and then a good pair of shoes to kind of bring it all together, which kind of goes along with, you know, what they got going on in this thing here. So actually I really like this fix in particular. I thought it was really well done, and but this isn't the time for review yet. So this was me trying it all on. The next thing is review. Alright, so all in all, this was an amazing fix. I really liked it and enjoyed it very much. Again, the total for this fix is $234 without any discounts, 25% off if you buy all 5, which drops at $58, which brings the total of the order to $175.50, plus a credit I have on there, plus a styling fee. After it's all said and done, it's about $80.50. So before I get into what I thought about it fully about this fix, is first of all I'd like to take a shout out to anybody who clicked on my link in my description in my last Stitch Fix video. You guys are awesome. Thank you. I did not expect that at all. and I can't thank you enough, so that's amazing. Thank you again. As for this fix, I loved it. I thought and this is a new designer, by the way. This was Maja. Alright, so this was a brand new designer here. Here, see if I can get a better hold on it. This was a brand new designer taking, again, I didn't change the price point this time. I kind of kept it right in the middle. Again, I wanted more kind of clothes to and from the gym. I have a lot of dressy clothes for work already. So a lot of those fixes were just like doubling up on things. But this one here, again, I don't have anything like anything that was in this fix, so it was amazing. So I can use it all, and I'm going to keep the whole thing. So again, please make sure to like and subscribe below. Click the link if you don't already have Stitch Fix. For those of you who do, I can't say it enough. Thank you very much. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So this was the Stitch Fix for the, I guess we'll call this one the end of May. And then we have 2 coming in June as well. So good things in store, and I hope to guys see you in further videos. Again, just make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that little bell button if you want to ring it right there, and then you'll get notifications every single time I upload a video. But they're not all cool Stitch Fix ones. I've been trying to diversify a little bit and put a little bit of everything out there. If you haven't already watched the Scent Bird one, I know it's a weird name, but if you're into cologne or perfume, they have a lot of different cool things, and they give you just a little bottle so you don't end up with this massive bottle of cologne and you want to switch it up. You don't end up with 30 bottles of cologne. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and have a beautiful Memorial Day weekend.